Today's mission was to get pintura highlights. You can hear the bugs in the trees. Sounds like a machine or something. I have always wanted color in my hair, but I was always so scared of damage or breakage and my hair not being able to grow. Bite the bullet and do it. Just go for it. See if I like it, see how it turns out, just see what happens. Just go for it. So I got my hair colored at the famous DEVACURL Salon in Soho, New York. That was really the only place I wanted to go because that was the only place I really trusted doing my hair. I was even skeptical of getting my hair colored by other Diva certified stylists. I wanted to get it done in the salon. They're a salon that specializes in curly hair, so I really trusted them with my hair. And as you can see, it turned out very nice. So I got in and they were running a little late, but there was a lot going on that day in the salon. Curl Fest was literally the next day, so there was a lot going on, but you know, it was understandable and I didn't mind waiting. They have a pleasant waiting area. They have you wait in a silk scarf. As you guys can see, I had a little fun with that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, watch me. Level up, 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 level up. So I'm called up to go get my hair done, and my hair was colored by Nicole. Thank you so much, Nicole. She really hooked me up. Okay. But I really enjoyed chatting with Nicole while I was getting my hair colored. So shout out to you, Nicole. But she really did a great job. I'm really enjoying my hair, and I was really afraid of damage, but honestly, I feel like my hair is stronger. Like when I'm doing my hair, it just cooperates a little better, and I don't know, it's weird, but you did something, Nicole, and it was great. I really enjoyed it. I enjoyed myself. I enjoyed my color. I'm loving it. So I'm trying to make my videos like BuzzFeed style, so I'm just trying this out. If this video sucks, I'm sorry, but you know, you never learn unless you try, so.